Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Porsche Cayenne in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on. This powers the necessary systems. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. This is a crucial safety step before shifting. Then, simply move the gear selector into the N position. You should feel a slight click as it engages. This method works for most routine situations. If your Cayenne has a dead battery or an electrical issue, you'll need the manual override. For some models, you'll find a small cover near the gear selector. Carefully remove it to reveal the shift lock release. Insert a small, flat tool, like a screwdriver, into the slot and press the release. While holding it down, you can then move the gear selector into neutral. This is essential for towing or moving the vehicle without power. Before putting your Cayenne in neutral, especially for towing, always engage the parking brake. This prevents unintended movement. Also, make sure the vehicle is on a level surface to avoid rolling. If you're unsure about any step, referring to your vehicle's owner's manual is always a good idea. It provides detailed, model-specific instructions and safety warnings for your peace of mind. To recap, for everyday situations, simply turn the ignition on, press the brake, and shift to neutral. If you're facing a dead battery or electrical problem, remember the manual override procedure. Always prioritize safety by engaging the parking brake and ensuring the vehicle is stable. Knowing these steps helps you manage your Porsche Cayenne effectively and safely in various circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.